Welcome to Atlas Foundries, where precision meets innovation. The only lost foam process foundry in Eastern India with a history of over 2 years of dedicated research in this field. We take pride in being amongst a handful of companies in the country who can claim to have successfully developed castings through LFC process. With over 12,000 square feet of covered shed and a sprawling land bank of nearly 1 lakh square feet for future expansions, we are built to meet your requirements today and tomorrow. Conveniently located, we are just 38 kilometers from the Kolkata port, 47 kilometers from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, and 37 kilometers from Howrah Station. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure is the backbone of our superior manufacturing process. From our melting section to our molding section, every machine is conceptualized and designed in a manner that ensures excellence in each operation. This is in line with our mission to ensure consistent quality at every step. Additionally, our facility's strategic layout ensures seamless workflow, minimizing production delays and rejections. At Atlas Foundries, our expertise lies in lost foam casting, an innovative process that not only enhances casting accuracy but also minimizes material waste. This environmentally friendly technique significantly reduces emissions and supports sustainable manufacturing. Our quality castings, which have been accepted by a wide range of customers, bears testament to our extensive research we have put in this manufacturing process. This process involves pre-processing of polystyrene beads by treating with steam. Our hydraulic molding machines then retreat the beads to form patterns of the product. Gluing and assembly stations, hot wire cutting technology complement this process, ensuring precision in every piece of the product. Our coating blender, featuring an 1800-liter tank and dedicated drying rooms, work with our proprietary coating mix that ensures every mold meets the highest standards. Our sand handling system is a testament to our commitment to efficiency and sustainability. With a sufficient number of sandboxes accommodating castings up to 650 mm cubes and a continuous 24-hour pouring cycle, our processes are optimized for productivity. The sand conveyor, bucket elevator, shakeout machine and sand cooler with a powerful 30 HP blower work in harmony to ensure flawless sand preparation and reuse. Our sand is almost 99% recycled. This reduces waste and conserves resources, aligning with our dedication to eco-friendly practices. Efficiency extends beyond production with our fully mechanized transfer track system for seamless sandbox movement and 2 robust EOT cranes for material handling. Our power infrastructure, including a VCB, transformer, LT panel with a 630 kVA load, and a DG backup, ensures uninterrupted operations. Since power is abundantly available, future scaling up of operations is easily achievable. Complete with RO water treatment plant and cooling towers, the entire setup is designed to ensure efficient utilization and minimal wastage of scarce resources, which further highlight our commitment to environmental sustainability, supporting smooth and responsible operational processes. Quality is our hallmark. Our fully equipped lab ensures every product meets stringent standards with precise testing and quality checks at every stage. Starting from the molding stage to final production, quality is ensured through in-process inspections and stringent data monitoring with removals of outliers at every step. Post-production processes are handled with precision using shot blasting machine and fettling with advanced tools. Each product is rigorously inspected for dimensional controls and mechanical parameters as per requirements. For further testing like radiography, etc., third-party agencies are employed. Our commitment to quality and sustainability has earned us clients' trust across various sectors, making us a preferred partner for all casting needs. Choose Atlas Foundries for unmatched quality, advanced infrastructure, and a commitment to excellence. With a focus on sustainable and innovative lost foam casting process, we are your trusted partner in turning ideas into reality. Atlas Foundries, built for precision, driven by innovation.